This was the day after we pulled her out the water. Notice how full of shipworm all the wood is. It's all rotten. Mud and sludge everywhere. Oysters stuck to the walls. We'd actually cleaned the back wall with a shovel to get all the oysters off. Stepping into the cockpit, mud everywhere. All the joinery is still there. Look at that ceiling. I was close to tears when I saw this that morning, knowing what a long job lay ahead. Stepping outside, looking into the hulls. You can see one of the lift bags that we used to raise her. Worm all over that woodwork. The sides of the cabin mostly we'd scraped with a shovel already, but here you can see what it looked like. So the entire cabin sides looked like that. Then 4 weeks later, hard work, cleaned all the oysters, barnacles off, cleaned the mud out, scraped the walls down, removed all the joinery, cut away the entire shower cubicle, down to raw aluminium walls. Still had the windows in at this stage. You can see what good condition the aluminium actually was in. Stepping back outside, still had a bit of water in the holes there, but at least most of the mud was gone. Still a lot of work to be done here. Out to the cabin side, now down to the paintwork, which of course was quite discoloured, but at least you could see it. Now, a couple of months later, wet sandblasting down to raw aluminium, taking all the paint off, bare aluminium. We left that bit of paint there because that's been covered by the shower cubicle, which you can see just inside here. That will fit into that hole. You see we've cut open the windows, gives it a lot more light and space, brightens the whole place up. Need to fit some new floor panels there. Again, remarkably little corrosion. Cut away the hatch there. Now look at the sides of the cabin. Raw aluminium in really good condition. Ready to prime and paint. Forward deck ready to fill, sand, prime and paint, and to fit new windows.